Human rights activist and former presidential candidate Sowore has lashed out at the Labour Party's 2023 presidential flag-bearer, Peterobi, for questioning the rationale behind the 2012 fuel subsidy protest against the administration of former President Goodluck Jonathan. Speaking on Wednesday, 7th of May 2025, at a memorial lecture held in Abuja in honor of late Niger Delta elder statesman Pa Edwin Clark, Obi reignited debate over Nigeria's economic trajectory. He criticized the silence of many voices who once led protests during the Jonathan era, but have remained muted amid worsening hardship under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration.
I listened to my brother Mike when he talked about, may the labor of our heroes past not be in vain. I'm sorry, I'm happy that Jagawan is here, and I'm happy that Jonathan is here. But I can tell you, their sacrifice is in vain. They've sacrificed for nothing. We're in this country when people were protesting, when there was no need to protest under Jonathan. Where are those protesters? Have they died? Where are they? So why are we saying it should not be in vain? Jonathan increased fuel from 87 naira to 120, and people were protesting in this country. And when it was 900, they were not protesting. Are they dead? So why are we saying it should not be in vain? People protested when naira was 180, and when it was 1,005, they're not protesting. Are they dead? So let's not say it should not be in vain. I spoke a few days ago, and people said I'm demarketing Nigeria. When it's true to be in the marketer, World Bank has just shown that 75% of Nigerians in rural areas are poor. Is World Bank demarketing Nigeria? UNICEF 2 days ago released that Nigeria now have over 2 million malnourished children, the second highest in the world. Are they demarketing Nigeria? Let's face the reality. Their labor is in vain. We have a country now that is not democratic. We are not a democratic country. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Is the election that happened in Edo, is it democratic? Just the last election in Edo is the most undemocratic election. Everybody knows who won that election. So why are we keeping it and saying, let your work not be in vain? It is in vain. So we can start picking the pieces now, because they've destroyed everything people have sacrificed for. Look at what is happening in Nigeria today. Above all, Jagawan, you sacrificed everything. The country people sacrifice has turned into a crime scene. All we do today is stealing. And we have to do something. All we need to do is live a courageous life. May God Almighty that called him home grant him eternal rest and grant us the courage to look into what our Father lived for and start picking our pieces.
The remarks sparked immediate backlash from Sowore, who took to his verified X handle, formerly known as Twitter, on Thursday to defend the legitimacy of the 2012 protest while launching a scathing critique of Obi's record and affiliations. He accused Obi of whitewashing the Jonathan-era economic situation because of his involvement as an economic advisor. The publisher of Sowore reporters further alleged that Fidelity Bank, in which Obi is said to have interest, was complicit in laundering funds for the former Minister of Petroleum Resources. Dezani, Alison, Madueke. Sowore also questioned Obi's moral authority to demand accountability from the current government. While this has generated mixed reactions online, kindly drop your opinion in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.